Wow, Grandpa gave me a magic bone. I can't wait to chew it. This is the best gift ever. Oh no, my bone is missing. Where did it go? I have to find it before it disappears forever. Look, tiny footprints leading into the forest. What's inside? Could my bone be there? Aha! A little raccoon has my bone. Hey, that's my magic bone.
Oops, I thought it was just a toy.
Oh no, the raccoon dropped the bone into a deep hole. Oh no, we have to get it back.
I didn't mean to. Let's work together.
How can we reach the bone? Let's think. Let's use this branch.
Great idea. Let's try. Yes, we got the bone back. Great teamwork.
That was fun, but next time, be careful. And from that day, Toby and the raccoon became best friends.